Welcome to another edition of EAA, and today we're going to do a little POV drive of my 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. For those of you that don't follow the channel, I've actually had this car quite a while. I've had it probably about 6 years now, I would guess 5 or 6 years, somewhere in that area. And of course I bought it because I'm a Smokey and the Bandit fan. Always liked the body style of these Trans Ams, and just really great car, great body style, great look. This one does have the 6.6 liter that it was born with. It is a turbo 400 transmission, has heat and air T-tops, and it was restored probably about 10 years ago, actually by a buddy of mine who is really into Pontiacs, knows Pontiacs very well. Did a very nice job on the paint, the interior. Everything came out very, very good. Show you guys the inside here. This is a black on blue or blue on black, however you want to look at it, car, cloth interior, and everything works on the car. Everything on this car works. The heat, the air, I had the air updated. Tires are good, brakes are good, everything is good on this car. It's a very nice cruising, nice driving car. I could daily drive this car without any hesitation. Wouldn't miss a beat, drives like a modern car. And yeah, let me open the shop door up. We'll take it for a little spin. All right, got my microphone cord in here. Got to pretty much slam that door because it is a heavy door. Now this is a completely cold start. And there you go. Fires up like that every time. Idles up really good. It's kind of like my Plymouth. When it decides that it's warmed up enough, then the choke will come off. But everything works on the car. Lights, signals, wipers, gauges. It's just a really, really cool car. And these things are so iconic. I mean, the dash, the design on the dash, the way the gauges are laid out. I really enjoy this car. So I'll let it warm up a minute and then we'll take it for a spin. Choke's still on. It'll stay on for a few until we get it down the road. But that's okay. Get it moving out of here. You know, it's funny, my mom had a 78 silver anniversary Corvette. And this thing reminds me so much of it. Just kind of the sound and the feel. I mean, same era, of course. I think that's a lot of it. But really does remind me a lot of her car. You hear that little like squeaking noise. It's somewhere, I think, up over in here. It's been here ever since I bought the car. I need to take it down to my body shop, have them check it out and figure it out. Something's rubbing, something's not right. And I will do that eventually. I say that, I've had the car, what, 5, 6 years, whatever it's been, and haven't done it yet. Now, contrary to popular belief, these cars are not fast. They were just a little over 200 horsepower and maybe about 300 pound-feet of torque. For the time, they were fast. I mean, for like the late 70s, early 80s, they were pretty fast, and they were pretty sporty. But this thing has a real cushy suspension. It has a very nice ride, so it's not really going to be that great in the turns and the corners. And it's not fast. It's definitely not fast at all. But it's fun. It's fun to own. It's fun to drive. It's fun to have. Gets a lot of attention. And, you know, it is a keeper car for me. My daughter wants it at some point, so this is going to be her vehicle. I have one vehicle for each kid that I will give them when the time comes. Probably my deathbed, but okay, let's go. So you can see right there, I'm giving it the beans. And that's about all she's got. Not fast, but that's okay. Like I said, this is just one of my nice cruising cars. I enjoy driving it. I enjoy owning it. I enjoy cruising it around. It's just been a very, very good car in all the years I've owned it. And it consistently just starts up, goes down the road, does what I ask it to do. And like I said, I could daily drive this car very easily if I needed to. If a bunch of vehicles went down and I needed something to drive, I'd probably have to get through 3 or 4 vehicles before I got to this one, but it would definitely be there, and it would be there for me. So yeah, that's about it. I'm going to end the video here as I did with the last one. Let me know what you guys think. As always, your comments are very welcome and even encouraged. So P.O. Box, Instagram in the description below. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, God bless. Take care, guys. Have an absolutely amazing day.